West African societies, and these were societies where, for as far as we know, these were not societies with lighting yet. These were not societies that we know all left behind the kinds of monuments that Egypt did. They were different kinds of societies, but I don't feel any shame in the fact that my people presumably came from something like Senegal and Ghana or Angola. I find that very interesting, especially the vast transformation, the morphing that would have happened from whoever my great-great-great-great-grandfather was to whoever I am. So it's a matter of what you take pride in. And I worry that with the Egypt thing, the idea is that somehow that's better than what people were doing in Ghana. I don't think so.
Egypt is over here. The slaves came from the area from Senegal down to Angola. 97% of the slaves came from that region. All right?
Once again, my name is Albert, and I am from Africa. I'm from a country in Africa called Ghana. And I'm proud to be a Ghanaian.
Like about Nigeria, well, let me say, it's where I come from, it's my motherland.
Somalia is my heritage.
Somalia is my country.
My name is Kaya Zambik. I'm from Kenya.
I am an Egyptian.
I'm a Moroccan.
this. I think that if Black American people want to have pride in their history, for me, looking at the pyramids, it's too indirect. It's kind of like a person of French-Canadian ancestry looking to the Russians because it's Europe. I mean, really, we have to talk about something more specific.